we got the radiator kind of in on the Bronco, but as you can see, we got about an eighth of an inch, maybe a quarter at most. So we've got to take the mounts off and just back the whole motor up at least another maybe inch and a half if we can do it. This should be interesting. All right, guys. Ooh, I got a blue beard. Just call me Bluebeard. We got everything done on the RoadRunner, and she's back all one color again. As you can see, it's all done. In the next hour and a half, 2 hours, she'll have clear on her. And hopefully, it'll be good. I can't wait. I want to see this puppy completely finished. Keep watching. Okay, first tack coat is on. 2 more to go to get this puppy to shine. Using the Matrix Clear. I believe it's Matrix 46. Good 2-to-1 clear. Okay, guys. This is the second coat. I love this clear, man. Love this clear. All right, she's cleared. All right, guys, it's all dry now. We uncovered the wheels. We uncovered the dash. I've got a little more work to do in the tunnel here where we took out the hump. We uncovered the motor. Damn, I love this motor. Can't wait to hear it roar. All right, guys, like and subscribe. And if you have any calls need to be done, give us a yell. We're always open.